Yak backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. Look at our cute bunny. Springtime is for bunnies. It's so fun. Let's see what we can find inside the bunny. We found a bike. A bike. We found a bike inside the bunny. Do you see the bike? What else is there? This is a barn. Can you see the barn? Say it with me. Barn. Okay, bunny, let's shake you up and see what we can find. What did we find? It's a boat. A boat. Okay, let's find something else. What's this? It's a bus. Say it with me. Bus. Bus. Okay, let's find another object. This is a ball. A ball. We found a ball. It can bounce. The ball can bounce. What is this? It is a blue bird. We found a blue bird and some beads. Some beads. We found beads, a boat, a bus, a ball, a barn, a bike, and a bunny. Bye-bye.
Yak backpack. Yak backpack.